In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon MF3010 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, please double tap to continue. In a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set there before you proceed. Okay, so once a search bar would be available, please type for Canon space MF3010 driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So you can see a different result. All you need to do is you need to click any of the result. As long as you can see the printer driver, then that's good. Okay. So once you're here, you would be able to see a download option. Please click on it, and in a while it will now start on the downloading process. Kindly wait until it will be started here in our Google Chrome browser. And once it's getting started, click on the upper right side of the screen, click on this download icon and wait until this would be done. This might take some time. It would depend on the speed of the Wi-Fi that you have been connecting as of the moment. Just wait until this would be finished before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once it is being downloaded, all you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, we need to move this application or printer driver to the desktop. So by that, make a right click and go with this cut icon. Once done, close the window as well as this one. And here, please make a right click and go with paste. So once you have pasted the driver or moved the driver here at the desktop, you need to proceed on the extraction of this driver. So double tap to it, and in that way you would be able to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this printer driver. So go with extract to and kindly wait until it would be successfully extracted, and please wait. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to wait until a new folder would be appeared here, and once it would be appearing here, please navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now here, navigate directly to Bluetooth and devices, tap on it, and under the Bluetooth and devices settings, please proceed with printers and scanners and click on Add Device so that you can see an option where you can manually install the printer driver that we have just downloaded in our PC or laptop. So click on Add Manually and kindly wait until this kind of window would appear. Go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Go with Next. And from here, click on Have Disk and click on Browse. And since our extracted file has been located at the desktop, then by that we need to navigate to the desktop, and on the list, scroll down, double tap to it, select the drivers, double tap, select for x64, go with driver, and it will show you any of the driver. Just select any of that, click on Open, click on OK, and eventually it would be added here. Click on Next, go with Next, and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be finished. Once done, click on Next and go with Finished, and there you have that you would be able to install the Canon MF3010 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.